Yeah, hello everyone. Sorry, sorry about this ninja stream or whatever. Something wrong with my background. I turned this off. It's like it's very blurry, so um, can turn this off maybe. Maybe I can change my background to virtual background. Like none. Okay, maybe I need this blur, so you can maybe just blur from StreamYard. Hello everyone. Yeah, welcome to today's stream with Tublian featuring me, of course. And today we are going to be I'm going to be talking about Tublian, exploring Tublian and seeing talking about the platform, and we are going to get to onboard live, and I get to use it live and stuff like that. I might be sweaty. I think I'm sweating. It's like, oh god. But yeah, okay. Going on ahead, this is one of my ninja streams that I just bring up and stuff, and mm. but like this had to go out because it's been about time we got to actually use Tublian and explore open source, the power of open source, from the eyes of the Tublian platform and the Tublian world. So without further ado, I'm just going to get to share my screen. Maybe I should do intro. Yeah, okay, let's do intro. Okay, because it's from the Tublian account. Hello everyone, I'm Tobiloba and I'm a developer advocate at Million and Developer at Tublian. And today, uh, I would be exploring Tublian platform as I've said like 100 times already. And this is going to be just me, going through it and just figuring things out along the way, and then eventually explore projects and stuff. Yeah, like I said, let me just share my screen and then we get to do this live. So sharing my screen now, and then we go to the website and get to explore it. All right, so let's go to Tublian.com. So we're on Tublian. Yeah. So the website right here. Everyone can code. It says every developer has digital story. Make your component Tublian and join with GitHub. There's like a company version as well. Okay. Okay. Money for hiring developers and stuff. Obviously I've been through this through this before, but I'm just going to like try to recreate the experience as a first time user, but just try to get you to see what it's like and stuff. So this is a very nice website, nice sticky website. So kudos to the team. But yes, so I'm a developer, so let's see it from the eyes of the developer platform. So yeah, we basically see Tubian, every developer has digital story, make us compare with Tubian, see this dashboard that Tubian has. Talking about the goals of Tubian, how speed matters, certifications can fall short, definitely. One of the biggest things Tubian becomes discoverable. Tubian connecting users and stuff. That if you will contribute to services being public and ensure they are discoverable online. So companies hiring developers presence globally are some of these companies that you see here. Okay, I like this actually. Whoever was used to do this, I like it's like draggable. So become future ready. Future doesn't just notice, it rewards. Time to skyrocket your career and draw global opportunities. And AI won't replace developers, but developers with AI might replace might replace those developers that know use AI. So be a 10x developer, create and faster. I definitely love all these animations that are on the websites. It's like super crazy. Wow, these are really nice animations. Online creativity is crucial. Yeah, whoever's building with street cred. This is like showcase to showcase. Oh, sorry. Uh, back here. Yep. I like that in page routing. It's a very nice one. Uh, let's slide like this. Okay. Then I guess see people using Stack Overflow, GitHub and stuff. It's very nice. Global community, street cred, marketplace. So Tubian's goals are sort of like around having a platform or laying that that stage or that pedestal that developers that are looking to use building in public to grow their presence and be able to showcase their skills in a way that it's just developers trying to show evidence. So in Nigeria where I'm from, there's something called evidence. So so if you know, so it's people with evidence that are favored. So obviously, if you don't have evidence, nobody's actually going to take you seriously. That okay, you can do so and so things. But like, I mean, with Tublian, that can actually help your help your case, such that you are actually telling people that okay, you can do this, and they actually are able to show that to people that okay, you are able to at least showcase that you have this the acquired the skills that you actually said you have, be it through doing open source stuff, building in public, using Stack Overflow to answer questions, and using GitHub to either host your own projects, that is have your own open source projects, or using GitHub to find those connections, fixing bugs, taking on bounties, or could just be anything really and stuff. And then having your LinkedIn be able to be a platform that showcases some of these things that you actually have as skills and stuff. Open source journey. So, oh, my comment is right here. So I think this is draggable. Sorry, should we close this? Should we listen? Oh, it's slides. Okay. So I do this. Bianca Cherry. So you can see testimonies from people to start your open source journey today with Tublian stuff. So yeah, nice. I love the website by the way. It's really amazing. So now there's something called street cred that Tublian uses. And street cred is basically how we determine the credibility of developers. I mean, obviously, I mean that's self-explanatory rather. So determine the credibility of developers by analyzing their online activities and contributions, not years of experience, which makes sense in the world we are today. I mean, this is 2024, so and last year was 2023. I mean, the way we are basically able to judge how good people were as far as skills or even being hired is definitely evolving. It's not about your it's going beyond just you being able to solve little problems and stuff. It's becoming more about you being able to solve real world problems and you being able to show that okay, you can actually solve those problems and stuff like that. So you should get pro score that is this the give view of a software developer, which is unavailable on typical resumes, measures the passion, curiosity, knowledge, and skills of developers. Street cred. So we identify top-notch emerging developer not by years of experience, but by analyzing their own activities and contribution and establishing an objective metric that we call the street cred score. So why street cred matters? From my experience, good developers have following traits. They are curious, they love to build things, they are team players, they learn and master their tools, and they practice, and practice. Very, very yeah, I definitely can testify to this because these are some of the things that I also try to apply to myself as developers because I build in public a lot and these are some of the things that I will definitely say are part of the things that I have under my belt or I'm still improving on like as I grow. And being in open source sort of like gives you some of these things right off the bat. So I mean definitely is any developer you see working in open source and is very active definitely probably has some of these characteristics or traits already. So side effect of the above traits, yeah, exactly. So street cred is calculated. So you just plan connects up our popular sources and developer platforms, GitHub, Twitter, blogs, Stack Overflow, Twitch, YouTube, etc. Really awesome stuff. So yeah, for emerging developers, yeah, definitely. Work, not experience, hiring costs, and enables global talent acquisition. Finding the right developer, very important call to action for how Stuttgart could actually help you find the right people. How developers use Stuttgart enhances their developer visibility. They become 10x developers and they build a network and find opportunities and stuff. Definitely. So that's about Stuttgart. Manifesto, blog, stream that has me exploring to be and going through some of the platforms we have and stuff. So this is the blog. Yesterday, so it dropped yesterday. So we have amazing people that manage the blog as well. It's new. CEO, and Mr. Precious, community manager. I'll say that Ashford. And the open source internship that is even currently ongoing, it's closed because we are no longer taking people. You can join the wait list as well, just to sign up and be ready for the next internship. So the internship is very intense. 4 weeks where you get to do open source and contribute to real world projects and get to actually use those projects as well, because the actual way to contribute to open source, I would say, is you contributing to things that you actually get to use as well, because it's like a win-win for you. The project gets to win because you provide your own insights as to you making a contribution, and you also get to win. I mean, the project gets to win, yeah, and then you also get to win because you're actually getting a real world experience, contributing to something as well, and speaking directly to maintainers and learning and reiterating, making mistakes, learning from your mistakes and stuff. So yeah, like this basically these things basically highlight some of the things I said. Networking also as well, it's developers, experienced developers and mentors. You might even find your first opportunity or role from you just doing some of this learning in public stuff. I mean, and open this internship, brother. Sorry, yeah, contribute to open source and stuff. So that is that for some of the things on the website. So I should probably go to the manifesto as well. But yeah, the manifesto. AI is shaping software, definitely. Mm-hmm. So AI is the future of like software development. AI nowadays it could be just it ranges from things like you having to have tools that gives you auto image generation. I mean, nowadays they're even tools like VO, like Basel, that can build landing pages for you, or can build components for you that you can use in your front end applications and stuff like that. Just from you typing a prompt. There are tools like Millions AI that is a coding assistant, helps you with optimizations and performance improvements. And there are tools like Tublian's Copilot as well, that helps you handle some of the mundane tasks that are required to help you be an independent and or should I say, self-sustenance software engineer. I says, I mean, AI, you can do a lot of things with AI. You can learn new skills, acquire new abilities, solve fix bugs and stuff like that. And it has so many benefits that it can help you with, and and you being an actual 10x developer requires so many things to be put in place. It's beyond just you writing good code. It's beyond just you being uh, very smart, or beyond you being how else do I put this, or beyond you being very good at networking. It's so many things that actually comprises the entire package, and some of the tasks that are along the way of you actually doing some of these things that I mentioned are mundane. They are very ordinary. There are some things that might shouldn't be stressing that much time working. Kind of about the internship. Oh, definitely, Christine. Christine, sorry. I just saw your comments. This recent, yes. So the internship is a platform that Tublian uses to actually get people um to be able to work in the shall I say, real world ecosystem of open source, because it's a nice introduction. So I say it's a very good way to introduce people into the ecosystem of how open source works, because Tubian has a platform already that helps them collate open source projects. And the internship is just a that avenue to say okay, we are linking you up with open source maintainers and open source contributors or other people as well that are very that own projects or that are submitting their projects to that Tublian is working with. And then we bring some of our own people that have been selected as students to work in the students to participate in the internship. We give them that avenue to be able to interact with maintainers, make contributions from the Tublian platform. And it's a 4 week program, and then each week you have milestones that you have to cross accord to move on to the next stage. next stage, next stage, next stage, and then I make advancements and stuff like that. Power contributions that you make into your project, into your project, could be you fixing issues, could be you raising an issue and stuff like that. And then you get to also explore opportunities, like to have somebody with experience be able to micromanage you along that process of having a mentor. So you're like, oh, I'm having this here and I might need some clarification regarding this. Could you please help me out with this, like that? Real world, I mean maintainers of like some of these projects, or some of the very active contributors that are like mentors within the program, will be able to help you along the way. So like in case you get stuck and stuff. And we also have like build sessions where we organize that we organize with the students, where we try to see how far they've gotten, if they're having any issues. I think I anchor that here. I get to interact with one on one with the contributors, and help them resolve some of the things they're having, answer their questions and stuff like that. So it's a very nice program. And I think during the first cohort, somebody was actually retained from the internship to work with Tublian. Yeah, she's currently on the core team as well. So it's a very nice program. Then along the way, you get to gain street cred, which also gives you credibility, like I said before, with street cred and everything. And people get to notice you more, and Tublian pushes you out there more, and gaining world experience, and you can showcase that because you get a certificate and stuff. And everything all around that, networking as well, it's people to find opportunity to get access to more opportunities. Interesting. I intern speed. Yeah, as far as I know, there is no payment whatsoever. No, there isn't. But there are definitely other benefits that I micro I'm part of like people that. Okay, yeah. So I was. This is actually my first internship with Tublian. I was a mentor in the previous cohort, but this was my first internship that was part of the organizers of when they were about to push it out. So that's when I joined. But I'm not exactly sure as to things around payment and stuff. But I do not see. I don't think, as far as I know, there are no payments whatsoever regarding the internship, but some people actually get retained, as to what I've seen from what the backstory I've gotten, what I've seen. So people get retained to the company and they get paid. Sometimes there was even a case with somebody working on a project at the time from the first call that I was told of, that I was informed about, where the maintainers or the project owners retained that person to be full time on the project, and they were getting payment and stuff like that. So I think those are some of the other benefits and stuff. Yeah, thank you, Christine. Also thank you for joining. I don't know if it's okay. Sorry, my camera was okay. I think this is good. All right, so yeah, let's try to explore more of Tublian, see how it works and everything. So I had to like do this thing where we went through the form. So now I think it's time to actually sign up and log in. Yeah. Mhm. My network good. Loading. I'm fetching my GitHub profile stuff. Okay. There's something wrong with my network. Okay, it's like the loader. Let me keep my front end skills in. Okay, I thought I was having network. I had to check the sorry, reflex action, front end stuff. So yeah, so on the Tublian platform, yeah, I think she was the top contributor um for this week or last year or something. Like based on street cred, ranked top contributors and stuff like that. My God, my Discord is going off. What's going on Discord? Yes, so measuring, shout out to her first of all, for being awesome. So I should get a 75.29, 5 connections. Let me connect with her. Mm, shout out to measuring for being awesome. So programming languages, Python, JavaScript. She does front end and back end. Imagine can start learning. Oh, okay. Those suggest programming language she can start learning based on skills she has, some of her projects and stuff. So this is actually amazing. Recent connections, people I can connect with as well. With amazing street creds. Street cred one. That's wow. Okay. So nice 90 days. I can see the activities as well on the project she's working on. Send it. Nice. She writes a lot of JavaScript and stuff. Uh, okay, so dashboard. So to my dashboard, Oh, my street card is 62.81. I lost some points. What is going on? But yeah, 97% out. You beat 97% of users. Uh, yeah, thank you. So on Tublian, you get to see your street cred. And then I also get to see recent activities on my dashboard. People working on issues, open, DME. I think my connections that are working on issues and stuff. And then people that are suggested to me to connect with and connect with these people. Then comments, intense, unpaid. Uh, all of us. Oh, thank you for joining. Allah and LinkedIn user. Thank you for the. I don't know who this is. This is somebody from Tublian responding. Um, yeah. So connect, connect. And yeah, pair requests. So you can add your Discord to accept pair requests and stuff. Oh, nice. Why is Discord touch other developers? Because hosts pair programming sessions and gain street cred. Let's see how this works. Simply bots. Read you a bedtime story. uh Saving my Discord details. This is very fun actually. So I can get people that maybe want to pair up with me or work on issues together, and then suggested issues, Firestore work query. So this from Firebase Flutterfire. An issue that somebody is currently working on. 6 hours per week. For this project size, Firebase. Okay, nice, amazing. Oh, Flutterfire, interesting. Oh, these are pair requests. So somebody wants to STD out and STD in. This is C++ plus plus or C, if I remember. Yeah, STD out. Somebody wants to work on to pin third-party extensions. C++. This might actually be an idea. Oh, I think I know how. NZ tooltip title error in ng hydration. Is this Angular? ng0 antd. What project is this though? Oh, the repo is this repo. ng0 Angular. Yeah, I knew the ng thing was from Angular. Angular UI components library based on Ant design. Interesting. High enterprise class UI is system for Angular applications. 60 plus high quality Angular components, out of the box, same TypeScript and stuff. Interesting. I don't write Angular, but like as long as it's JavaScript, I'm always interested. So this looks fun. The repo is pretty huge too. Last activity 3 hours ago. So what is just the issue? So the person wants to work on this tooltip title error and hydration. Interesting. So constantly run into this error when installing Avalanche. And then per pair request, there's an estimated score that you can use to improve your street cred as well. So that's pretty fun. Continue learning based on PyTorch. My God, discoverability of projects here is pretty insane as to how many projects you can get to find out from just either going through your pair requests or you looking at contributors that have been top contributors and looking at projects they work on. Some really amazing people. They're doing very great things. So amazing. I'm definitely going to come back here to work on, and then you can see jobs as well from startups, and this was a YC Lelo currently looking for. So I can explore that with my co-pilots, and then my co-pilots. Oh, and then the job description summary comes in. Okay, just checking my profile if it matches with the job and stuff, and how this finds you well, and then it suggests a DM that I can use. Oh, this is my cover letter. Oh, it suggests a LinkedIn DM for me, and then it suggests a cover letter for me based on like the AI is insane. So it can basically help me with through the hiring process and stuff. And this is pretty great. Interview questions, mock interview questions based on the of the job requirements. Gain hands-on experience. Yes, these are some open source projects to help me gain relevant experience based on the and then I can paste a job description here if I want to, also generate this or something. Hmm. I love the uh okay. Interesting. I love the way the AI works, the co-pilots. It is really amazing because and then you can this is crazy. Amazing. So okay, this is awesome. But wait, still, let me try this out. Um front end engineer role. Let's see what you can do for me with this. Then I click on this to trigger it. Uh, please, what's Tublian really for? Oh yeah, like I said at the beginning of the stream, Tublian is a platform that basically helps developers to grow. Um, it's a platform that basically helps developers to grow and be able to do all of these growth, but in such a way that they have like a guidance system or something. Let me put it in that way, guidance system that helps them along the journey. But how does this guidance system works? There are things around you being able to use open source as an avenue to grow yourself and your skills and be able to network and showcase that you actually have certain skills, and you being able to use things like Stack Overflow as well, your YouTube, your Twitch, your blogs, and platforms essentially that are all around being able to put yourself out there and showcasing these skills. Now, Tubian has a system around all of these things that encompasses that, which is street cred essentially. Street cred is a numeric, should I say, rating that helps you to that helps developers to be able to measure their growth based on the things they've been able to work on and stuff like that, and keep track of that along the way. And there are other things as well that Tubian does as far helping you connect you to opportunities with either open source projects, with jobs, like I was just exploring with the how the copilots could actually help you along the job application process, and then things with you being able to be connected to companies based on your level of street cred. For example, somebody with a very high street cred and with skills that match a company is very likely to be matched. Is very likely um, to be offered an opportunity in a company based on at least they have evidence for to show for things they've done, based on things they've done, and they have their street cred as well to guide them along the way. And Tubian has offered you like the ability to manage yourself essentially as a developer willing to improve your you need to up your game essentially, be it being a 10x developer, being a much more grounded, a much more grounded developer, using things like open source to actually help improve your skills as well. So a bunch of these things are me trying to pick my words. It's just me trying to put down my thought process into words as to what Tibian does, because Tibian is an amazing platform that I've actually gotten to. I'm still exploring it right now, but I've actually gotten to like it based on the goals and what it's trying to achieve, using things like AI, using things like open source, using things like providing you a platform to network and build in public as well. So there are so many things that it offers you as a developer. Most of these things, for example, I used to do a lot of the things that Tublian offers you out of the box on my own, like very manually, trying to find all these things. If I was if I could look back and look at how I was growing, if I had a platform like Tublian, it could be a very helpful to me in so many ways because to help me to actually find a place where I can, bring everything that I do all together and be able to keep track of how far I was using. My mind was very manual. It's my building in public and every other thing that I used to actually improve my skills and have something I can actually showcase and stuff. So yeah, if you are looking to build in public and or you are looking to use open source as an avenue to grow yourself, you are looking for a community of people that are very supportive and are willing to guide you along your way and stuff. So I feel like Tubian could be a good choice. So shameless plug, Toby. So yeah, that was. I hope that answers your question, though. Allah is Rob. Thank you for joining, by the way. So like I was saying, I was on this place. So what did this say? Uh, oh, it says please paste the job description on one of or click on one of the jobs from the page. I'm supposed to paste like a job description summary. For example, if I was to okay, I think I see how this works. For example, if I was to like say, oh, my profile is 30% match. So based on this, you have to update your profile. So these are the things that I match, partial matching, missing. Resume matches the job description in terms of the candidates you are software engineer. Then is the mentions candidate preferences in TypeScript. Okay. Let's see if I paste this there again. It's probably redundant, but let's see how this works. Um, mm, was actually still suggesting questions to me, and I can use my voice as well to answer the questions so I can track. This is crazy. Next, can you explain the scale landscape in North America and Europe without lead lists, projections, and pipelines? Strategies used to. Oh, interesting. This is really cool. This is really, really cool. Coming. So, yeah, this was the playground. Yeah, and the jobs copilot. So I get to see challenges as well. So we're building a RAG application, so retrieval automated generation application using LLM and LangChain. So this is a challenge. Oh, 6 p.m. EST. Oh, so this is an ongoing challenge. These are previous challenges that have happened. There was a front end challenge that happened a while ago. You're supposed to implement something. So CBN launches like this challenge like occasionally, and then you get to win prizes like merch and stuff like that. So you get okay, this is a challenge where you see the Figma design, and then you get to implement it and stuff like that. It's really nice. Mm. Prizes, requirements, customer onboarding application. Yeah, interesting. And then there's also one of the previous challenges, prompt engineering challenge. And they are used to prompt engineering and try to generate the entire solution. Mm. Okay. $100 gift card, $75 gift card, $50 gift card. Uh, this is very awesome. So, so this is one of the things you can actually see. Let's see what the rack challenges backend developers. Okay, it's about augmented generation application using large language models. Yeah, chat with a book for a beginner's guide to large language models. Oh, a book. Okay. Let's see. Is this actually a book? Oh, it is. It's actually a book. Yeah. To LLMs. Yeah. So okay. You're building something around this book. Yeah. Oh, it's a very nice challenge, really. from a source and indexing usually happens offline. Retrieval and generation. And it chooses the relevant formula, then passes that to the model. Load components, books content in database, vector store, generating the answer to retrieve an from the database, use LLM to generate an answer. On open sources, submit the link to your GitHub repo. Hmm. So and there's a template GitHub project configured with all the dependencies, in case you're looking for a quick start. This is really crazy. And there are resources as well in case you're not exactly sure how to get started and stuff. Oh my god, this is mind blowing. And then you can decide to start a challenge from your dashboard. And then it also gives you surprise street cred as well. Awesome. So explore as well. Can explore. See trending, interesting articles, podcasts, and YouTube videos you'll be interested in. I mean, this is all like the organic platform. The guy I see JavaScript parties here, JS party is actually here. Talk fight lifecycle with machine learning projects. You can listen to them on this platform. This you can share them as well. Hmm. This is really nice. These are some of the things that I do. But like I use several resources, Spotify, some other things just to bring them all together, and then have a platform where I get to, I can talk about this podcast in public and maybe copy them. But for me, I can just share them directly. I really to go on all things I'm listening to. I listen to JS Party podcast, stuff like that. Then videos as well from that maybe might be interested to explore. Articles, there's articles. Yes. Yeah, okay. That I might be interested in exploring as well and to learn new stuff. Hmm. Oh my god, it's the entire package as a platform to help you out. Oh my god, this is really cool. What language is this Fibonacci function? This language is called text. Interesting. And then there's a bit of C as well. Oh wow. Okay, so uh yeah, explore. So then I get to see my profile as well. Mm, so currently I have a street code of 62, 10 connections. I get to import my LinkedIn as well. And I have my GitHub and Stack Overflow currently connected. My programming languages are these are my restricted. I actually did that uh when I was getting started with the platform. So I did a bit of like setup before coming here. So these are some of my current projects that I worked on. Yeah. So I can edit my profile. So it says I have nothing pinned here. I can actually edit it and add more stuff just to set stuff. So pinned item. Well, I can actually add my talk at CTGS Conf here. Am I open to job? Am I open to a job offer? But I can add my education certificates, my LinkedIn profile link. I can just get that. So just this. I can paste that there. And it's my Stack Overflow ID. It's editable. Nice. Oh yeah, for my Stack Overflow. Sorry. And if I have a blog, I have a YouTube actually. So if I go to my bio drop, shout out to bio drop by Eddie Jaude. I can literally just pick up my YouTube from right here. Don't know if this link will be dynamic and maybe it will be deleted tomorrow. And paste this here. This is actually how to have my YouTube channel set up. But let's see. Profiles. Oh, it doesn't actually. It's just the link. Then what if I wanted to share my channel? I should be able to share my channel. Uh, let's share my channel stuff. Oh, it's just like okay, yeah, this is it. So I was looking for. Then should be allow me to copy this. Yeah, so like this. And then I can paste that here. So in case that link gets deleted tomorrow or something, I just copy this. Oh, the validation says my channel has to actually match this. Oh, okay, okay. That makes more sense. I guess the link isn't dynamic or something. So this is pasted here. I see my profile. So then I can answer my presentations, but I don't want to waste so much time on this. So I'm just going to come back to this and my profile. I have a street cred. My street cred is pretty low though. I need to up that. So yeah, go to explore. This is actually very nice. The explore, I think I love the explore. And then the Discord, you can join the Discord. It's currently Discord about 2,000 members. Very nice community. And it's really awesome. So challenges, GitHub Copilot and the I said GitHub Copilot, the Tublian Copilot, and you see like actual jobs, like local jobs. Well, I don't think he knows my location because those look like German companies. So remote jobs from Turin, um, anywhere, junior software engineer. And then when I choose a job, it takes me to a link where I can see that job and learn more about that company and stuff. I Google it here. Alright. So this is really cool, and I can explore it with Copilot as well. So I explore with Copilot based on the job's description. It generates technical requirements for me. It's matching my profile to see if I'm a good match with the company, and then it tells me how much match I have with the company, things that I'm missing in my skills. It gives me company for how I can send the DM. The DM I can draft based on my profile and everything. Hmm. I think this is a very nice feature and it's a win-win because if I'm looking to like up my game or go learn certain skills based on this is very nice. So I can basically be using Tublian to be contributing to projects, improving my skills, and then when I'm fit for maybe this job in like maybe next couple of weeks or and if it's still open, I can just come back, apply, and be like, oh yeah, I have this, and these skills and stuff like that. Mm. And I can see questions as well, maybe in case I want to answer a question or something. I can see questions and stuff like that. It's like, oh, this question, I think questions are being fetched from Stack Overflow. The formatting is a bit, but yeah. So yeah, Copilot hints to help answer the question and stuff like that. So I can pick up a question, answer it to boost my street spread as well. Why is always on in earth? Yeah. Well, it actually is suggesting questions to me based on what my skills are, which are Python, front end, React, and everything. Yeah, you can see, for example, JavaScript questions, Python questions, front end questions, and stuff like that. Want to answer. This is very, very nice. And then projects. In case I'm looking for projects that I might want to make contributions to. Get started with open source, my first open source contribution, a guide, beginner friendly projects, AI projects, created by Tublian. Yeah, so Tublian gathers these projects and they curate them and everything to be on the platform, stuff like that. Very nice setup, front end project. It says back Python projects, backend projects, libraries, frameworks, and stuff with them. And then I can start contributing maybe from this guide. Issues simplify. So this live stream is to explore Tublian. In my subsequent live streamers, I would actually be answering questions and making contributions live. So this would be very nice. What to fix? So there's an issue. Remember your contribution. Then I'll get the machine, install it. Stay centered and refresh. Ah, so there is this current first contributions slash first contributions repo or project where you get to use to get started. Very nice. And then where's it? Where's some questions? As in projects, and then can open this guide as well. We open so many tabs. Uh, yeah, exactly. Open source guide. Hmm. Oh, this is very nice resource. And a dashboard that I get to see projects on and stuff. So I'll say all in all, I really enjoyed exploring this, going to especially suggested connections. I think now I even want to connect all these people that have been top contributors. Let me just connect. Let me go my base. Connect. Who else down connect to? Connect with rather. You see, I already added my Discord as well. So my explorations they show up here as well. Interesting. Sharing knowledge. Let's talk about flow stats, my work experience. Oh, sorry, not mine. This is for measuring. I tell them as my profile. So let's connect with our real as well. Oh wow, these people are actually he has no connections to but he's been doing crazy stuff. Then you can see his location as well. Mm, ALX and Mobina Mubaraki, Steven. Uh, mm-hmm. Well, I'm not connected yet, so let's connect. Oh, disconnect. Oh, okay. So I would say this was super crazy. I got to actually explore a lot of things here on the platform. But it doesn't end here. It doesn't actually end here. It doesn't end here at all. Because there are so many hidden facets to the things that Tublian can provide to you. And if you actually explore, if you actually with me through the way of I was experiencing all these things and you feel like there are several other things that improvements could be made on, you can literally just provide feedback from here and um yeah, you can rate your experience and stuff with what you got from using this platform and stuff. But if you're still here, this might be a nice segue to talk to you about our upcoming Twitter space. Our upcoming Twitter space, which will be happening next week on Thursday. And what we'll be doing here is where is it? We would be exploring, yep, we would be talking about Tublian as a platform and we'll also be talking about this very interesting topic as well, which is how you can make yourself attractive to jobs as a developer because there are so many ways the industry has shifted now and things are changing, things are moving away from the norm. So you need to be aware of how of these trends and keep yourself up to date with things around landing yourself that first role and things around improving your skills, things around how maybe even you literally just like learning in public and stuff can be your own opportunity to finding your next roles and finding your next new pool of people, new connections, new stream of people you get to vibe with, people you get to relate with, and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, this will be a very fun space, and I'm excited for this space actually. So let me share this right here in the comments and chats. in case people want to love to stop by. Should be really good, a good platform, a good space to actually attend and stuff like that. So let me just quickly retweet this. Try to retweet this on Twitter. Streaming, exploring, simply had a lot of fun. I also got to actually improve my street cred. Yeah, I think I improved by a couple of points to improve my street cred as well. This was super fun, by the way. Can't wait for everyone to see the things that Tublian has planned for this year because there's so many awesome stuff that are going to be rolling out and it's going to be crazy. So I have 20 connections now. I'm definitely going to be connecting with more and more people. So I think all in all, it was a very good stream and I enjoyed every bit of it. I mean, it's actually discovering the Explorer, jobs copilot, and the abilities it has. I mean, that's really crazy. I'll probably be even coming to it for tips and be pasting job descriptions to help it analyze it based on what I currently have as my skills, my profile, and everything. No, I have settings here as well. Okay. Oh, I don't think settings live yet, but no, I'm done. But yeah, this was an awesome stream, and I can actually add more social platforms as well to my profile. It's just to for my pinned item, maybe Opo's website or anything. Yeah, that I want to be pinned. Yeah, definitely going to add more stuff here. Uh, this is really awesome. I can add my bio drop. Bio drop. Where is it? I have my bio drop right there. Save. Add job experience, education, and certificates. I like the I like the entire experience and how Tublian works and how it's like an organic platform essentially to help me, be able to have one place that I can call, okay, I'm coming to Tublian to do my work for today. And then it helps me manage that workflow. And, I can listen to podcasts while working. I can do challenges just to, practice one or two things. I can pair with somebody to work on an issue for a day. And, we just, catch up. That's with somebody I know, or we get to like, connect or something and stuff like that. And these people are here to motivate me to do well and to improve, to be serious with my life. so so yeah, this was a very fun stream. And yeah, definitely you guys should stop by to that space and it's very going to be definitely fun and can't wait to actually see you there and stuff. And yeah, you get to speak with the community manager, you get to speak with Neil, the founder of Tublian, and yeah, I'll be there as well to to talk about this awesome topic. Yeah, and you see actually how Tublian helps you in so many ways. It's with the thing this topic actually uh, is referring to. So I think this was a very nice stream. I enjoyed every single minute, every single second of this. And thank you all for joining and asking questions. Thank you, Christine. Shout out to Christine. Christine is a very good and amazing person. Thank you, Allah is Rob, for joining. And Okay, that's it. Thank you, Tublian. Yeah, so this was awesome, and it's almost 1 hour, and we don't want this to exceed an hour. So I think this would be a good point to actually stop. And I really appreciate you all stopping by and taking time out of your time to actually come to this stream. So that would be the end of this stream from my end. And happy New Year to everybody, and happy New Year, and have a wonderful day ahead. So you can just watch this stream if in case you missed anything in the beginning. Yeah. So join Tublian and uh stay awesome. Let me end the stream.